Welcome to Canonic. With Canonic, adding third-party login like Google, Facebook becomes as easy as enabling a toggle. In your project, add a new table. Once you name it, select the type as identity. This will automatically create predefined user fields like first name, last name, email, avatar, auth token. To enable OAuth login, select the user's table, go to Identity Settings, and enable the provider you want to integrate with. You'll have to fill in the client ID and secret that you get from the provider, along with the callback URI where you want the users to redirect to once they log in. After filling all the required details, hit Deploy on the top right. All of your user authentication APIs are created along with their documentation.